Hi, I'm Ashley Headland. I'm here with tech analyst Chase Oliver. Now, Chase, let's talk prototypes. What are prototypes?
Yeah, so prototypes are used across a wide variety of industries to demonstrate both new products and new iterations of products. These can range from anything from cars to the iPad. But in our case, a prototype is a very basic mock-up of a website that we can view in either a web browser or a PDF file. We enable certain elements of our prototypes to be clickable, so they mimic the functionality of a real website, so they get that real look and feel. And that way we're able to demonstrate some of the key functionality that we're trying to get across to the client. Overall, prototypes are really just one of the first steps towards building any new website or application.
So why do we use prototypes?
Yeah, one of the biggest reasons we use prototypes is that it's a lot faster to build a prototype than it is an HTML website, which can require a lot of time and resources. And so because we have that time, we're able to make more changes after garnering feedback from the client. So as a result, more iterations in a shorter amount of time. The other reason we use prototypes is that it acts as a great vehicle for facilitating a dialogue about what we want a website to accomplish. And from that discussion, we're able to better define scope and resource estimates that we provide to a client before we engage in full-on web development.
So what should clients focus on when they're looking at a prototype?
Right, so if you're a client and we built a prototype for you, there are two main components that you want to concern yourself with. The first is the layout. So here you want to ask yourself, are there certain components that I want to make more prominent on my website? So for example, let's say that you're a business owner and you really rely on getting people in your stores. So you want to implement a store locator on your website, but you're not sure if you want it in the header, in the footer, maybe on its own page. Prototyping helps you visualize each option and helps you make a more informed decision. The second thing that you want to concern yourself with is the functionality. This primarily just is concerned with how users interact with your website, how they link from page to page. You want to ask yourself, what type of experience do I want to deliver to each user? So with these two components in mind, if you can focus on those, then you can really align your website with the requirements of the business.
Great.